Crappie, babe.
Get them over the boat. Hey, when you get them in, I always pop this bail open.
Rusty, what is that?
That's crappie.
Why does it look like a bass?
Because it's big.
Big. It's definitely one crappie. Pretty little crappie.
Ain't that so? That's what we've been catching up here.
That was nice.
Well, yours ain't. So it is.
Yes, it is. Okay.
Two on at the time.
One in the middle. Shoot.
Yeah.
Wow.
All right, bring him.
That's the biggest fish I ever
All right, now
caught.
swing him over the boat. Now
I
just pick
will.
your don't reel him up.
Okay.
Just pick your pole up, swing him onto the boat.
Oh, I'm not. I want to go get him.
Y'all ain't on the catch and release?
I can't.
Not intentionally.
Let me just lay it down. I can't reach him.
Yeah. Best thing to do is.
That line.
All right, well then keep him on top of the water.
Okay.
There you go. You getting the knack of that thing. She caught that one on the popsicle.
I seen it. I got that one. Thank you.
All right, put it out just like you did.
Hey, my reel him in like I do. You tell me, whoops, you tell me not to do the catfish.
All right, now swing him over the boat. We're gonna have to put more of these popsicles on. That's what we're catching just about every fish on. Or is that a, no, that's a June bug, I think, right there.
All right, what color we putting on this one?
There you go. Got one here. Long one. Got one on the long. Golly, boom, look at that thing. Lord have mercy. They gonna rule the world if we don't do something with them.
You quit fighting so. This is a crappie?
That's a crappie.
Wow.
That is a 1 in 1,000 crappie there. Oop. Incoming.
Like you, baby. I'll bop you in the noggin.
Dad, look at that. Big old buck.
What's so funny? He's dark.
Yeah, that's a buck there. He is definitely spawning.
He's a what? A buck?
Buck, yeah.
A male?
Male, yeah. Are you gaining line? All right, I couldn't tell. Sometimes them little old reels will get loose.
I actually got another one.
Got another line. All right, before he jumps around much, see if you can get that sucker loose.
He's dark.
Reel it down, just try to lift him over it. Don't give him slack or he'll be gone.
I will. He went under my other line.
Yeah.
No.
She ain't got him in yet. She's.
Off that line.
But just lift him in and then get the line off. That's gonna be your best bet.
He's on my hand full. No, babe. Don't go over. He was on that right there.
There you
Line
go.
off.
I tell you what, that June bug is flat doing
Line
it.
off.
Or that
You're like getting fish. And I'm like, you got my line off. Like that. See?
good gracious. Oh, I think he's gone. Hey, Lord. Look at the size of these crabs. Now you're cooking.